Okay, everybody, here we are. It is Friday, April 17th, 2020, and we have to talk. Right now, stock futures are higher across the board significantly, but I don't like it, and I'm going to tell you why. Number one, let's start off with crude oil. It is cratering right now, and I mean cratering. And the 10-year yield cannot hold on to gains. Last night, after this apparently miracle drug that is being released to treat a fraction of the population that maybe has coronavirus, and a fraction of a fraction of those have died. I mean, this is insane, okay? So obviously there's something much bigger going on here. So it was announced that Gilead has this drug that seems to be working to treat coronavirus. Gilead stock put on like a 16% gain after hours, and stock futures went pretty much ballistic. President Trump's talking about wanting to open up the economy. We got to open up our economy, and we got to open it up right now, today. This has gone far enough. If we don't do it, we're all gonna end up in a worse than a Great Depression scenario. It's already going to be horrific for people. It already is horrific for people. 22 million plus lost their jobs. We got millions more coming here. We got to open up this economy anyway. So stock futures skyrocket on the promise of this new drug to treat a fraction of the population that may have coronavirus. This is something so twisted going on here, that we are slaves in our homes because a fraction of the population has this coronavirus. I mean, this is not real. The virus is real, I'll give you that, but what they've done to us is a deliberate act to issue in a new world order to allow the Fed to be the central bank of the planet. Period. The end. I did an interview yesterday with Gerald Celente. I'm going to place a link to that interview in the description of this video. I strongly urge you to watch it. In fact, I'll keep this video short just so you can do that. Let's talk about a few other things. So crude oil is getting destroyed right now. The 10-year yield cannot hold on to gains. We had a pop last night in the 10-year yield. 0.67 right now. It's 0.62. So we'll see what the stock market does today. It's going to struggle to hold on to these gains, in my opinion, unless they pull off another miracle, which they seem to be doing lately here. We have an economy that we have no economy. We have an economy that we have no economy. It's dead. It's finished. And stocks are vaulting higher here because why? It's fake. This is the Wall Street banks buying large cap stocks. They're going to start buying everything else with a main line right to the Federal Reserve. Period. The end. This is just so sick. It is so sick. Again, stock futures higher. 10-year yield can't hold gains. Crude oil cratering. We have no economy here. And we better open this up soon. President Trump, do whatever you got to do here. Sir, okay, I'm backing you up on this one. We must open the economy now. Right now. The charade has gone on long enough. That's the truth here. All right, so that's where we are. Cryptocurrencies are about flat. Of course, gold and silver are under pressure here. We'll see how that plays out moving forward. Apparently, Apple was downgraded by Goldman Sachs. I think this is a buying opportunity. I'm not saying you should trade this. It was one of my trade alerts recently, and we ripped its face off. If you're still holding that and you have a long-term option expiration, I would still be holding it here. All right, look, with that said, I want you to watch the interview with Gerald Celente and myself. Link in the description of this video. This guy loves you. Please share the video. I'll see you at the end of the day.